Catherine Bernardo update. May meeting ngayon si Catherine. Kasama sila James Reid, Salvador at Undreamscape for someone someday. Okay, abangan na yan. Mga fans ni Catherine. Ay, seryoso sila. Saka ito pa, post ng Star Magic Philippines for KFC. Na latest TV commercial ni Catherine for KFC. Kasama si Juan Carlo. Sabi, smash on the set, proof that Catherine Bernardo endorsement shoot for fast food chain was shipped. Yes, you know. Saka ito pa, mukhang bumili si Catherine ng painting, you know. Yan, pwede-display niya sa bahay niya. Sayang pa, another painting. Yan, may KFC pa nga, oh. Saka may Cheetos. Cute. Yan, ganito kabait si Catherine sa mga fans. Kaya marami nagmamahal kay Catherine. Yan, very accommodating si Catherine sa mga fans. Nagpa-autograph pa kay Catherine. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.